How to remove a product from favorites on Etsy. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to remove a product from favorites on Etsy easily and fast. First thing, go to etsy.com and log into your account. Now this is the home page. As you can see, go to the top and click on your account. Now after you click on your account, all what you have to do is simple. You can go to your favorites or just click here on this heart icon, click on favorites, and now as you can see I have two favorite items. For example, I want to remove this one. Click here on this heart icon and click here, click done, and it's removed successfully from favorites, as you can see. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.